Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily disable using your camera on iPhone for some special apps. So for doing this you just need to go to the settings. In the settings you need to find privacy, so just find here privacy, it will be under the battery. So just open privacy and here you choose camera, and here you will see all the apps that are using camera now. So you can also disable or enable. So for example, now Instagram are using my also I allow access for Instagram for using my camera, but if I click here I will disable using camera for Instagram. So if I click again, so now it's enabled. So this is a way how you can disable option of using your camera in some special app. So this is the way how you can do it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.